one thing that is important to remember about the Saídas is that there's one original and authentic one, and one more westernized or Europeanized version. So in Lady Saída, for example, the original authentic one, you lead the lady out without twisting. You disconnect the chest and you don't twist as much in your upper body. You don't dissociate as much. And then you lead the lady back again. The men's Saída is the same. You step out without keeping the connection. In the westernized, Europeanized version, you keep the connection, so you use your upper body with the dissociation, keep the connection, and also in men's Saída you keep the connection. So it's important to know what you're doing. If you want to dance the more authentic version, you disconnect a little bit. And if you prefer to have the more connection, the Europeanized version, then you keep the connection and twist a little bit more your upper body. So just a note so that you know what you're doing.